tears of joyful giving. If we try, we shall see. In this peace we cannot feel. Fear of dread, we stop existing and start living. Then it feels that always love's enough for us growing. Make a better world, so make a better world. Heal the world, make a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people lying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me.
And the dream we were conceived in will reveal yet full face. And the world we once believed in will shine again in grace. Then why do we keep struggling like what is hell crucify its soul? Though it's plain to see this world is heavenly, be God's glory.
We could fly so high, let our spirits never die. In my heart, I feel you are all my brothers.
Create a world with no fear. Together we'll cry happy tears. See the nations turn their souls into plowshares.
We could really get there if you care enough for the living.